Holi is a special time in India. It's a festival of colors. Imagine streets and people drenched in vibrant hues. This is Holi, a joyous occasion that marks the arrival of spring. People celebrate by throwing colored powder and water at each other. It's a time for laughter, fun, and forgetting any worries. Holi is more than just a celebration of colors. It's deeply rooted in ancient Hindu traditions and stories. The festival reminds us of the victory of good over evil. It's a time for new beginnings and strengthening bonds with loved ones. The air is filled with the sounds of laughter and traditional music. People dance in the streets, their faces smeared with a rainbow of colors. Sweets and special dishes are shared among friends and family. Holi is a true spectacle of joy and togetherness. This festival is a reminder that even amidst the challenges of life, there is always a reason to celebrate. It's a time to let go of negativity and embrace the beauty of new beginnings. Holi's origins lie in ancient Hindu legends. One popular story is about Prahlad, a young boy, and his wicked aunt Holika. Prahlad was a devotee of Lord Vishnu, which angered his demon king father. The king tried many ways to harm Prahlad, but Lord Vishnu always protected him. The king's sister Holika had a magical shawl that made her immune to fire. She tricked Prahlad into sitting on a pyre with her. As the flames roared, Holika was burned to ashes, while Prahlad remained unharmed. This event symbolizes the triumph of good over evil. Even today, the burning of Holika effigies on the eve of Holi reminds us of this victory. Another legend associated with Holi is the love story of Radha and Krishna. Krishna, with his mischievous nature, would playfully color Radha's face with colors. This playful act is believed to be the origin of the tradition of playing with colors during Holi. Holi is a two-day festival. The first evening is known as Holika Dahan. People gather around bonfires, singing songs, and remembering the legend of Prahlad. The bonfire symbolizes the destruction of evil and the victory of good. The next day is the main day of Holi, known as Rangwali Holi. This is when the real fun begins. People take to the streets, armed with colored powders, water guns, and water balloons. No one is spared from the playful attacks of color. It's a time to let loose, forget any grudges, and embrace the spirit of togetherness. The act of throwing colors symbolizes the breaking down of social barriers and the celebration of unity. Special sweets and drinks are prepared and shared with everyone. The atmosphere is filled with laughter, music, and the joy of celebrating with loved ones. Section 4. Seeking Blessings, Holi's Hopes for a Bountiful Future. Holi is not just about fun and frolic. It's also a time for seeking blessings for a prosperous future. The arrival of spring symbolizes new beginnings and the hope for a bountiful harvest. People pray for good health, happiness, and success in the coming year. The vibrant colors of Holi represent different aspects of life. Red symbolizes love and fertility, while green represents new beginnings and prosperity. The festival is also a time for forgiveness and strengthening relationships. People let go of past grievances and embrace each other with open arms. It's a time for reconciliation and fostering a sense of community. Holi reminds us that life is a cycle of seasons. Just as spring follows winter, joy follows sorrow. It's a time to celebrate the beauty of life and all its colors. Section 5. The spirit of Holi: unity, harmony, and the celebration of life. The true essence of Holi lies in its message of unity and harmony. The festival transcends social barriers, bringing people together in a celebration of life. Regardless of caste, creed, or social status, everyone participates in the festivities with equal enthusiasm. Holi teaches us the importance of forgiveness and compassion. It's a time to let go of negativity and embrace the joy of togetherness. The vibrant colors of Holi represent the diversity of life and the beauty of unity in diversity. In a world often divided by differences, Holi stands as a powerful symbol of unity and harmony. It's a reminder that we are all part of one human family, and we should celebrate our shared humanity. So let the colors of Holi fill your life with joy, laughter, and a renewed sense of hope. Embrace the spirit of this vibrant festival and celebrate the beauty of life in all its colors.